Hey everybody, we're just giving you an update on the 2005 Mustang since we got it painted the other day. Been doing a lot of sanding and trying to get it cleaned up. Still got to do the stripes on it, as you can see, but the color's really starting to come in good on it. Maybe you can see it good enough on this phone. We'll give you a little walk around. Maybe you can see it. Starting to look really good. Getting a lot of compliments on it. It's been doing a lot of sanding on it. A lot of water sanding. As you can see, we gotta go back over the stripes and get those done. It's coming out really, really good. We gotta put a clear coat on it. Maybe you can see it. I'm kind of having to get really close to it out here. We got cars parked. Our yard is got full of rainwater. But maybe I can get it in here good enough for you. Trying to get everything cleaned up. Just about to the end of this rebuild. If you'll go back and look on our other videos and start in the beginnings, you'll see how it started out. It was red and it was wrecked, and rebuilt the front end on it, put the new front end off another car on it, and replaced a lot of parts on it. If you go back and start over on there when we started out, you can see the whole thing. We'll post on here where you can see the playlist. You can watch all the videos again if you're new, or if you don't really remember, if it's been a while since you watched them, you can go back and look at the whole car again and see all the changes it's went through. Had to do a lot of work on it. We don't have a shop to put it in, so everything's pretty much been done the old-fashioned way. But I think it's really turned out really good. Still got a little more cleaning to do on it, but I think when we get finished with it, get the clear coat on it, it is gonna be amazing looking. We're already getting a lot of compliments, like I said, on it. I think my husband did a real good job on it. Spent a lot of hours on it, a lot of manual hours, a lot of sanding. But we just wanted to update you on it. We'll give you a further update when we get the stripes done. Hopefully pretty soon. Get the clear coat on it. Finish cleaning it up. And then we'll be off to another project. So make sure you watch videos, because we're going to have some more projects we're doing. Some more type of auto things we're doing. Make sure, if you hadn't subscribed, do that. Hit the bell, and please give us a comment. Tell us what you think about it. We'll be back on here soon, and you guys have a great day.